Ever pondered the cosmic consequences if Earth and Mars met in a head-on collision? It's a question that might seem outlandish, but its answers reveal fascinating facts about our universe. To truly grasp the scale of such a cosmic event, let's first consider the concept of a planetary collision. You see, our very own moon is thought to have been born from a violent encounter between young Earth and a Mars-sized body, an event known as the giant impact hypothesis. The massive collision scattered debris into space, which eventually coalesced to form our moon. Now, imagine a collision between two fully formed planets, Earth and Mars. Earth, the larger of the two, boasts a diameter of approximately 7,921 miles, while Mars, often called the Red Planet, is just over half that size, with a diameter of around 4,212 miles. When it comes to mass, Earth is considerably heavier, weighing in at approximately 5.97 times 10 to the power of 24 kilograms. Mars, on the other hand, tips the scales at about 6.42 times 10 to the power of 23 kilograms. A collision between these two celestial bodies would be nothing short of catastrophic. The energy released would be so immense, it's hard to comprehend. We're talking about an event that would make the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs look like a pebble thrown into a pond. In the blink of an eye, our blue planet and the red planet would be altered beyond recognition. The impact would unleash forces that dwarf the power of all the world's nuclear weapons combined. Entire continents would be reshaped, oceans vaporized, and atmospheres stripped away. Such a cosmic catastrophe would undoubtedly leave a mark on the solar system, but what exactly would happen? Stay tuned as we delve into the immediate aftermath and long-term effects of such an unthinkable event in the upcoming scenes. The moment of impact would be more than just a spectacular explosion. Imagine, if you will, a cosmic dance of destruction. As Mars collides with Earth, the very fabric of our planet would shudder under the force of this celestial encounter. Massive seismic activities of a magnitude beyond anything we've ever experienced would ripple throughout the globe, shaking the foundations of our world. And it doesn't stop there. The impact would be so immense that it would eject an unfathomable amount of material into the void of space. Picture mountain-sized chunks of Earth torn from their roots, hurtling into the cosmos. This wouldn't just be a few rocks and dust, it would be pieces of our home scattered across the universe. Now, let's consider Earth's rotation and orbit. They've been consistent for billions of years, giving us the predictable cycles of day and night and the changing seasons. But in the aftermath of this catastrophic event, everything would change. Our planet's rotation could speed up, slow down, or even reverse. The orbit around the Sun, our yearly journey, could become more elliptical or even radically altered. And what about the debris? It wouldn't just float aimlessly in space. The gravitational pull of our wounded Earth would attract much of it back. Some of the smaller pieces might burn up in the atmosphere, creating a stunning, albeit terrifying, meteor shower. But the larger chunks? They could coalesce, forming a new moon or even a ring system around our planet. Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing not just one, but several moons, or a ring of debris circling our world like a cosmic halo. So in the immediate aftermath of such a collision, Earth as we know it would be fundamentally transformed. The familiar landscapes, the predictable cycles of day and night, the seasons, all would be swept away in a maelstrom of cosmic violence. In the blink of an eye, our blue planet would be unrecognizable. The immediate aftermath is only the beginning of the story. As the dust of the celestial clash settles, the long-term effects start to take shape, painting a stark and chilling picture of what life, or the lack thereof, might look like on our transformed planet. The dust and debris thrown up by the collision would block out the sun's rays, plunging the Earth into a scenario akin to a nuclear winter. With the sunlight obscured, temperatures across the globe would plummet. The ensuing cold and darkness would spell doom for most plant life, disrupting the food chain at its very base and leading to a mass extinction event. Even the hardiest of organisms would struggle to survive in these harsh conditions. The once teeming Earth might become a silent, lifeless world, a shadow of its former self. Not only would the Earth's biosphere be devastated, But the very dynamics of our solar system would also be forever altered. The gravitational pull of the Earth and Mars would be significantly changed due to the collision, leading to a substantial shift in the orbits of the other planets. The delicate balance of our solar system, maintained for billions of years, would be thrown into disarray. Planets might be nudged closer to the Sun or flung out into the cold void of space, their orbits distorted by the gravitational upheaval. This could potentially trigger a domino effect, with planets and asteroids colliding, causing further chaos and destruction. The Earth-Mars collision would not just be a disaster on a planetary scale, it would be a cosmic catastrophe. The very fabric of our solar system, the intricate dance of celestial bodies that we've come to understand and predict, would be ripped apart and re-stitched in a pattern that we could hardly begin to comprehend. This catastrophic event would forever change the face of our solar system, a reminder of the fragile harmony that governs our existence and the vast, unpredictable nature of the cosmos that surrounds us. A testament to the power of celestial bodies and the delicate balance that holds our universe together. Amidst all this destruction, could there be a glimmer of hope? In the face of such a catastrophic event, it seems unlikely, yet life has a tenacious way of clinging on. Consider the extremophiles, organisms that thrive in conditions too extreme for most life forms. Deep in Earth's oceans, or high up on the slopes of volcanic mountains, these hardy creatures weather conditions that would spell doom for others. Now, imagine the collision. Amid the chaos, chunks of our planet, possibly sheltering these extremophiles, are hurled into the void of space. And in this celestial debris, life may persist, journeying through the cosmos until finding a new celestial body to colonize. It's an intriguing thought, isn't it? This catastrophic event could potentially act as a cosmic dispersal method, a way for life from our planet to spread throughout the solar system and maybe even beyond. So, while the collision of Earth and Mars would indeed be a cataclysmic event, it might also be a new beginning for life as we know it.